Alright, so the question we're going to attempt to answer today is the cheapest filament I can buy actually any good? This was acquired for approximately $9.98, which I think was about a penny cheaper, including shipping, than anything else I could find on eBay. It is pink, it is bright, it is 1.75 millimeter, so it should work over in the Prusa 3 i3, Prusa i3 Mark III just fine. So what we're going to do is print a lot of prints with it. See if they work right, if they print okay. It'll probably tell us whether the filament's any good dimensionally. Couldn't be any worse than Maker Geeks. Actually, so another thing, that filament actually looks pretty cool. That's like a pearlescent pink. So for $10, not bad. What we're going to do is print a bunch of prints with it. Actually, print the whole spool worth of prints with it. Do some benchies initially. And I will put up some of the printing, if there's something up with it, obviously. Or maybe just some time-lapsed quick stuff if it all actually works okay. And we'll see what the prints come out like. So, is the cheapest filament you can get any good? Is it usable? What's it look like? Does it print okay? All questions I actually wanted to answer. Although the first question we should probably answer is, how much does it weigh? Because, frankly, they're shipping it as 1 kilogram, which could either be 1 kilogram, to be fair, total weight, including the spool, or it could be 1 kilogram of just the filament. Unless they specify, it's never really certain on there. I found the oldest scale possible. Well, that's certainly not going to work. Should be 2.2 pounds roughly. And what do we have? Yeah, I'd say it's actually probably 2.2 pounds of filament, because that's almost 2.5 pounds total weight. Run it a little bit, make sure, yeah, just under 2.5 pounds. So they were either a little generous on it, or it's actually dead on 2.5 pounds. So that's good. I don't know if that translates very well on the camera. I'm curious to see how it prints. It is kind of like a pearl pink looking at it, so it may actually be a really cool color. We'll see. But we'll see how it runs out. Watch out for the next videos in the series. It'll be a few different types of prints with it, possibly some stress testing, although that's not really that important for this. We kind of understand how PLA works writ large. But we'll see if it actually prints okay. We'll run out the entire spool. Look forward to it. See you soon.